Hi there, Dr. Ashley again. So this time I want to talk to you about the adjustment and what the adjustment is. A lot of people who are new to chiropractic, that's one of their first questions is, what is the adjustment? What's a treatment look like? It's actually very simple. It's very quick. It doesn't take long. The adjustment is basically gently moving the bones in a more proper position to relieve pressure off of the nervous system. How does that happen? Well, most of the time I use my hands. Chiropractic means by hand. I gently push or maneuver the spine so that the bone moves back into proper position. Sometimes that comes with popping and clicking. A lot of people who are somewhat familiar with chiropractic, ask, hey doc, can you pop me? Can you crack me? Well, it's not really just popping and cracking. That is the adjustment. But you don't necessarily need popping or cracking or clicking or any sounds in order to effectively adjust a portion of the spine or a joint. A lot of times they go hand in hand, but it doesn't necessarily always happen. I do have some patients that don't like the sound, they don't want to hear the sound, and that's not a problem. There's many ways to adjust the spine in order to take pressure off of that nervous system, and it doesn't always involve sounds. Sometimes it's table assisted and the table makes noise, but your body doesn't. Sometimes we can use instruments that are very, very gentle, the most conservative, in order to move those joints. So if you're one that's timid with the sound or the idea of cracking, you don't necessarily need it. So don't let that hold you back from seeing a chiropractor, because there's other ways around it to still effectively adjust the spine. Also, a lot of people ask, well, is it going to hurt? No, it doesn't always hurt. It may be a little uncomfortable if a bone has been stuck in a certain position for years or over a long period of time. It may be a little uncomfortable to move it back to proper position, but not necessarily pain. Many times people are sore after the adjustment. It's not uncommon to have a little muscle soreness afterwards. We're putting muscles in a new position. They have to work differently than what they're used to. It feels a lot like you went to the gym for the first time in a while and you just started working those muscles. It's nothing a little ice can't help or fix. So don't be afraid that it hurts or that it's going to make a sound. It doesn't always happen, but don't let the sound or pain or the unknown keep you away. Thanks for listening.